bracket rule, or we can say that is, okay, BODMAS rule. For solving any kind of arithmetic expression, okay, so you'll be using, so BODMAS, so you'll be using BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS rule? I'll just explaining it. What is BODMAS rule? Okay, BODMAS stands for, B stands for, okay, bracket, okay, order is nothing but, okay, the square or square root, anything comes, you have to solve the ordering. Next, division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. Now this is the order. B stands for bracket, A stands for, O stands for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this is the order, you have to follow it up. Okay, for example, it's given 30 plus 5 into 4. So we have to solve this. If you doesn't know the BODMAS rule, what will you do? So 30 plus 5. Then if you multiply with 4, that is the wrong answer. You will not get the correct answer. So you will be applying the BODMAS rule. So what do you have to do first? We have to simplify the bracket first. Okay, B stands for bracket. 5 fours are 20. Now here 30 you will be writing as it is. So plus 30 plus 20 is 50. Next one is terms in expression. Okay, if they are giving any expression, how to identify the expression is having how many terms? The thing is, the terms are separated by plus or minus. For example, here 83 minus 14. How many terms are having means we have only two terms. One is 83 is one term and minus 14 is another term. So we have two terms. Okay, 83 is one term, minus 14 is another term. Here, for example, 30 plus 5 into 4. Here if I ask how many terms this is having, means this also is having only two terms. 30 is one term. Okay, 5 into 4 is one term. Why? Because if you are multiplying 5 fours are 20. This will become a single term. Okay, only plus or minus, it will be separating the term. Okay, here we have used plus, therefore is separating the term. 30 is one term, 5 into 4 is another term. So figure it out. 2.1, page 34, you can just see it. Find the value of a following expression by writing the terms in each case. Find the value. Value means you have to write, simplify this and you have to write the answer. And also write the terms in each case. Write the terms in each case. For example, first one, I'm going to simplify the first one plus. Okay, first one. So 28 minus 7 is given 28 minus 7 plus 8. Now this is the question. Okay, according to the BODMAS rule, I have to follow. First, we have to do the subtraction or addition. You have to check. Okay, BODMAS, M-A-S, subtraction at the last. So first you do the addition. Okay, 28 plus 8. Okay, 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 minus 7. Okay, 36 minus 7. You will be getting 29. So the value of this expression is 29. Next, they are asking by writing the terms in each case. So we have to write the terms also. Okay, for example, terms from this exercise, from this. So what are the terms I have in this? 28 is one term. Okay, comma. Minus 7 is another term, comma. 8 is another term. So I have three terms. Correct? Huh? Plus and minus, it will be separating the term. Now we'll be going with the B1. Okay, so B1 is given 39 minus 2 into 6 plus 11. Okay, according to the BODMAS rule, first of all, right, I have to go with multiplication. Okay, division is not here, so I can go with first multiplication. So 39, okay, minus 2 into 6 is minus 12 plus 11. Next, according to the BODMAS rule, I have to add, right? 39 plus 11, 40, 50. 50. Okay, 50 minus 12. 50 minus 12 is, so I will be getting 38. 38. Right? So we have to go along with the BODMAS rule. So therefore, we will not be getting any wrong answer. We'll be getting the correct answer. Now we have to identify how many terms. Okay, B1. Okay, terms I can just write. So what are the terms I have means 39 is one term, comma, minus 2 into 6. This is a single term. 2 into 6, another term, and 11 is another term. Okay, only plus and minus. Here minus is there, separating the term. Plus is there, so it's separating the term. Now, B C1, I can just go with C1. 40 minus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. Now, first, I can add all the positive numbers. So 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Okay, 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10, I'll be getting 50. Okay, 50 is the answer. Now I have to check the terms. Okay, terms in this expression. Okay, terms are 40 is one term, comma, minus 10 is another term, comma, 10 is another term, comma, 10 is another term. So total we have 4 terms. So D1, 48 minus 10 into 2 plus 16 divided by 2. So I have to go with BODMAS rule. Any bracket? No bracket. Next, so division is coming first. So I have to do the division first. Okay, I have to do the division first. So what will come here? So 48 minus 10 into 2. Okay, plus 16 by 2 is 8. So I have done the division. Next, I have to do the multiplication. I have to do the multiplication. So I'll be getting 48. Okay, minus 10 into 2 is minus 20 plus 8. Next, I have to do the addition. Okay, 48 plus 8. Okay, 48 plus 8 is 56. Okay, 56 minus 20. Subtraction at the last. Okay, 56 minus 20 is, we'll be getting 36. Okay, 36 is the answer. Now from this, I have to identify the terms, right? So what are the terms I have? Okay, the terms are 48 is one term, single term. Next, minus 10 into 2 is another term. Next, 16 divided by 2 is another term. Okay, here plus and minus only will separating the term, correct? Here, this is one term. Up to here, this is one term. This is another term. Hope everything is clear. E1 is given 6 into 3 minus 4 into 8 into 5. It's a question. Right. So first I have to do the multiplication first. Okay, multiplication first. That means here one multiplication I have. Here also I have 4 into this also multiplication. Okay. Then this also one multiplication. Okay, first we will do one by one. Okay, 6 into 3, then I will be doing this multiplication also simultaneous. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, minus 4 into 8 5s are 40. Now again I have to do the multiplication first. Correct? So I'll be taking 4 into 18, you write as it is 18 minus. So 4 into 40. 4 4s are 6. So 160. Now 18 minus, right? So E1, 18 minus 160 you have to check. 18 minus 160, here we will be using integer rules, right? So subtract the number and keep the greatest sign. Subtract the number and keep the greatest sign. Okay, subtract the number and keep the greatest sign. So greater sign is here minus 160 minus 18 is you'll be getting okay 142 minus 142 is the answer. Okay, here if you want to write the terms, okay, terms for this I can just write here terms. So terms are 6 into 3. This is one term, single term, comma. Okay, next this everything is going to be the another term. Okay, minus 4 into 8 into 5. This everything is another term. Here only one minus is coming. This alone is separating the term. This everything is one term. This everything is another term. So we have only two terms. So write a story or situation for each of the following expression and find their value. Okay, you have to write the story for this first, then you have to find the value. Okay, so I am not going to write the story. You have to create your own story for this question. Okay, I'll be just solving only this. For example, I'll be just explaining how to write the story for the first one. Okay, so different way you can write your own story by seeing the expression. For example, first one, 89 plus 21 minus 10 is given. Okay, how can Ramesh has 89 marbles and he got 21 marbles from his friend and he gave back 10 marbles to the another student, another friend. So that is a situation. Okay, Ramesh had 89 marbles. He got 21 marbles from his friend and he gave 10 marbles to another friend. It's given 89 plus 21 minus 10. Okay, first you have to go with the BODMAS rule. I have to add these two first. Okay, so 89 plus 21. Okay, I'll be getting 110 minus 10. So 110 minus 10, it will become 100. Okay, I'll be getting 100. The value of this expression is 100. So next B1. Now 5 into 12. Okay, minus 6 is given, right? So first I have to do this multiplication. Okay, 5 12s are 60. So 60 minus 6. So 60 minus 6 is equal to 54. I'll be getting 54. Now C1, 4 into 9 plus 2 into 6 I have. First I have to do the multiplication. Here also multiplication, here also multiplication only, right? 4 9s are 36 plus 2 6 are 12. Now 36 plus 12, you will be getting 36, 46, 48. So I will be getting 48. So this is how we can just simplify it.